High above the world, where the clouds stretch like cotton fields, the sky whales swim. Their great, shimmering bodies glide through the air, their long tails steering them between the drifting puffs of white. Cloud Haven, their home, is a city of balloon houses, each one tethered by glowing threads to floating islands of mist. The whales live inside these gentle, swaying homes, rocking softly in the breeze. One young whale named Zephyr loved to race the birds. The falcons were fast, the eagles were graceful, but the little sparrows were the most fun. "Catch me if you can," they chirped as they zipped past his nose. Zephyr twirled and flipped, chasing them through the sky, leaving trails of sparkling mist behind him. One day a storm rolled in, and the wind howled. The birds struggled to fly, and even the whales found the air rough. Zephyr saw a tiny sparrow caught in the storm's grip. With a powerful flick of his tail, he dove and caught the bird on his smooth back, carrying it to safety. As the storm passed, the sky whales sang their deep, rumbling songs, a melody of friendship, of the sky, and of the endless adventure above the world.